love's an epic place to find love, so the bar is where I go. And me and my friends at the table doing shots, drinking fast, soon as we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, step up, put them in on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. I'm singing like, boy, you know I want your love. Your love will send me fool, somebody like me. Come now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, girl, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come now, follow my lead. Come now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Well, last night you were in my room, and on my bed she smelled like you. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with your body. 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 Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of. Venga, vamos a contar esta historia de cómo fue la primera vez en la que tú y yo nos conocimos, salimos y nos quisimos antes de las 3. Por horas y horas hablamos a altas horas de cómo todo iba muy bien. Nos subimos un taxi, me dijiste yo te quiero y nos quedamos hasta el amanecer. Y yo pensando, sabes que quiero tu amor fue hecho solo para mí. Y tú lo sabes, sí, sí, y tú lo sabes, sí, sí. Para, no hay que hablar de más, toma mi mano y vamos a bailar, vámonos a bailar. Me encanta tu forma de ser, como un magneto me atraes a ti. Sabes que como tú no hay dos, me enamora tu cuerpo. Cuando nos vimos ayer, yo te dije algo, cada día algo nuevo que descubrir. Me enamora tu cuerpo, me enamora tu cuerpo, me enamora tu cuerpo, me enamora tu cuerpo, cada día algo nuevo que descubrir. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet too. I'm in love with the shape of you. I'm in love with the shape of. Every day discovering something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Okay, so big shout outs to Kimberly Erena. Kimberly, thank you so much for allowing me to use your video. I really do hope that I get to work with you someday. I just wanted you to know that your voice is really awesome, especially the Espanol version. I really loved it. So there you go, guys. I really do hope that you enjoyed our cover. It's Ed Sheeran's song. It's Shape of You, covered by Kimberly Erena and Mckoy of the First Beat Fight. Yeah. So, yep, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. And you might also want to visit Kimberly's YouTube channel. It's really great. I've seen a lot of her videos, and she has this amazing voice. I placed Kim's YouTube channel link on my description box, so you might also want to check those out. So click that one, you'll be routed to her channel. Hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed. Alright, so hope you enjoyed, guys.
Salimos y nos quisimos antes de las 3. Por horas y horas hablamos a altas horas de cómo tú